thing you need to do is blend, blend, and blend. Hi guys, welcome back to another makeup tutorial video. So we are starting off with skin prep, and I'm using this niacinamide serum. This is to help create an even base for my makeup and also manage my skin issues. And then we're going in next with this acne prone skin moisturizer from Cetaphil's. Yeah, I'm acne prone skin, and this is my favorite moisturizer because it also gives my skin a smooth base. All right, we're going to just swipe that in with the brush. And next is this Yardley 3-in-1 primer. This is a good primer for oily skin, as it's actually a mattifying primer. And then I go in with this under eye jelly grip primer from Essence. Now next, to brows. If you do skincare prep first, don't forget to set your brows with some powder before you go ahead to draw. So that's me drawing my brows, and now it's time to clean. I'm using this Essence Camouflage Matte Concealer to clean my brows. And yeah, this concealer, I love it so much. I use it most at times because it's easy to blend, and again, it has a very nice coverage. Then I also clean the top part with my foundation. If you have a concealer that is the same as your skin tone, you can also use it on the top part of the brow and on the inner corner. Now I use that same concealer to just prep my eyelids and getting them ready for eyeshadow. Then I go in with this Safari Fever eyeshadow palette from Catrice Cosmetics. I'm taking the first shade. The shade is called Delight. Wow. And now the next one is Earth. That is a dark brown, to apply it on the outermost corner. Now I just have to wing that out the way I'm doing. I love such a soft eyeshadow look. Then I just use some warm color like orange, just a little bit of it, to blend that in. I go in with some eyeliner. I'm using this liner from Essence. Yeah. Then I'm just going to take a little bit of eyeshadow and wing it out. You know, this is a soft eye look, not something too much. Blend that in, and I go in with this my Essence foundation. Spread it out with the brush, and then I spray it with this Essence setting spray. Just spray it to ease the blending process, and also to make sure that I have an evenly blended foundation look. This is me concealing now with this Essence Camouflage Matte Concealer. This always gives me a nice coverage, and it doesn't crease under my eyes. That's why I love using it. I love this concealer. Okay guys, so the picture of the nose, make sure you put enough because you don't want that line looking separated. That's separated. Yeah. Then just have to blend this with a very, very soft hand. Don't use pressure. Don't use too much force. I don't know how I can emphasize on this. Blend just lightly to avoid creasing, to avoid your brush picking up excess product than required. Okay, I'm going to apply this cheek and lips blush from Essence brand, and then I blend it in. I added some blush affairs from Catrice, just mix the two. I'm gonna blend it in with my blush brush. Okay guys, so we need to apply some contour now. I'm using this liquid sculpt contour from Shein. Okay, those are the points where you have to apply it. And then we go ahead with this contour brush to just blend that in. And I'm blending that one on the forehead into the hairline to just make sure that my face is blended with my hairline. And then I give my cheeks that shadow, connect it to that hairline that always comes down. That is how you trace it out, to give your face structure. Now we go onto the nose. I contour the nose, and then I add a little bit of concealer to make the nose more slim, a little bit slim. And then I blend that in. Okay guys, it's time to set, and I'm using this Yardley Translucent Loose Setting Powder. I love this powder so much. You just have to make sure that you dust off the excess. You even it out on the back of your hand or on anything before you take it under your eyes. Now I'm using Fit Me setting powder to just set the rest of my face. That's me. Look at that look, it's coming out. And we add some powder blush. We also use this Catrice highlighter to give it a small shine on the nose and on the cheeks. I go in with this liner to just white line my waterline and then smooth it out with some brown eyeshadow. I go in with this mascara on my lashes, spray my face, setting spray, and then align the lips. Guys, we are almost done. Blend that in and apply this nude shade lipstick. Just make sure you blend properly. Add some lip gloss. Oh my god. So you see that it's pretty much easier. The only thing you need to do is blend and blend. Okay guys, thank you all for watching and bye.